Bullying or conflict, a simple guide for students. In schools, the word bullying gets used a lot. Sometimes it really is bullying, sometimes it is a one-off argument or a fallout between people. Understanding the difference does not make anyone's feelings less important, it just helps us choose the right way to deal with it. So, how do we define bullying? Through pain, physical or emotional. Repetition, it keeps happening or the threat hangs over you. Fear, you start to worry about it even when it's not happening. And underneath all three, there is a power imbalance. For something to be bullying, we usually see three things. Someone is in pain, either physically or emotionally. It happens again and again, or there is a clear threat it will happen again. And the person starts to feel fear. They are worrying about it even when it is not happening. Underneath all of these is an imbalance of power. One person or a group has more power, status, size, social influence or control than the other. Conflict, fallouts and arguments are when people are roughly equal in power and there is a clash over opinions, space, friendship, relationships. It can still hurt, it can still be nasty, but it usually does not have that repeated pattern and growing fear. An example of an interaction that is not bullying could be one-off nasty comments in a heated argument between friends. Both shout, both say things they regret. They are similar in social power. There has been a conflict or a fallout. It still needs sorting, but it is not yet bullying. We move towards bullying when we see repeated targeting of one student by a group, daily name calling, exclusion from groups, online messages and so on. Or the student is scared of coming to school. When you question if something is bullying or not, ask yourself, does this fit the pain, repetition, fear pattern? Is there a power imbalance? Do not use definitions to minimize a problem of bullying. Sometimes adults use definitions to say that's not bullying, so it does not matter. That is not the point here. If someone is hurt or scared, that is important. Conflict, fallouts, rough play, and bullying all need attention. We just need to respond differently depending on what is going on. So, if you suspect bullying, what can you do? I can't speak for every school, but I can give some general steps. If you think you are being bullied or you're not sure, talk to a trusted adult in school. Use real examples. What was said, what was done, how often it's happened, and how it makes you feel. Adults should listen. They should take it seriously. They should check whether there is a pattern here. They should also look at the power imbalance. They may need to support both you and the other people involved so that things can change. Teachers can use this video to start a discussion in class about what bullying is, what conflict is, and how we deal with both. If you would like more short films and activities for Anti-Bullying Week, Tutor Time and PSHE, subscribe to the channel and explore the anti-bullying films and resources for schools playlist. Thank you.